back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig for you, and this is the company right here, lovemehair.com. Girl, I am so excited to be reviewing a piece from them. I have just been fangirling over this packaging since it arrived. Now, I got this via DHL, so I received it really fast. But girl, get into this packaging. So cute. Y'all know I love cute packaging. Anything that comes in a box, let alone with a bow on it, girl, you know I'm in love. So this one is really beautiful. So happy to have this one. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's take off that pretty bow. And I save those bows for just different little craft projects, but you do with it whatever you want. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, Love Me Hair, girl. Affordable luxury wigs, girl. Affordable luxury wig. Okay, look at this. So this is how your hair is going to come. So upon opening your package, this is the first thing you're going to see. But you know what? We're going to go ahead and set her to the side. Let's see what we have included in the box. Now this is just as good as receiving the wig, is looking at all the goodies that comes with your unit. I love this part. This is like Christmas. Alright, now this is a headband unit. So I did get a few headbands here. These are really summery. They're kind of summery, springy, really pretty. They're colorful though. But you wear your things whenever you want. Okay. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair, okay? Alright, so you do get some stocking caps, wig caps, if you will. And these are the beige one, a 2-pack of the beige ones. And then there's like an informational packet here inside. Honey, her look is bomb.com. Super duper cute. I'm here for it. Alright, so that's the contents of the box. Now, inside this cute little pouch here. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Girl, I am all about this pouch. How cute is this? Now, I don't carry around like combs and all that good stuff, but having this, girl, this is going to make me want to drop this in my purse and keep me a little comb and whatnot in my bag. Okay, so you do get some elastic band should you want to add some security to your unit. You get some hairpins here. There is a comb. Love that, girl. Gotta keep those edges laid. I like that. Okay, so you do get the satin headband to lay those edges. Keep it tied, keep it laid. Okay, loving it. And you do get a pair of little tweezers, but you don't need these with a headband wig. You just don't. Oh, and you get an adorable little clip that says Love Me. How cute is that? How cute. But nonetheless, girl, these are all the goodies that you get when you order from lovemehair.com, girl. All the thrills and the feels when you order from them. So let's go ahead and try on the unit, girl. Let's get into this wig. Alright, here she is, and she is a beautiful burgundy, like a 99 jade type color. Beautiful for fall. So pretty. Oh, and I have it in 18 inches. All the information and the details will be down below in the description box, so do not skip over the description box, okay? So we're going to take off her net. Oh my god, this hair just feels so beautiful. So amazingly soft. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so it's a standard headband wig. You have your headband with the Velcro strapping. You have your comb at the top, temple combs, and one in the back. And as you saw, you do get some elastic band to add inside of your wig if you have a smaller head, if you need some added security. Now this is of a body wave texture. So gorgeous. Look at that hair. Swing it, girl. Beautiful. The hair just feels so looks so nice, so soft. But yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. She's so gorgeous. And girl, you don't have to have any skills with these wigs. No cutting of the lace, no glues, no tapes, no this, no that. Just put it on. And this is why I love these units, because they're so easy. And as you see, I'm not even going to the mirror because we got this. We don't need one. Just put it in place. Attach your combs, if you will. I don't do a whole lot of combs because I am prone to getting migraines and headaches, and I feel like everything makes my head hurt. So that's the only reason why I don't stick combs too tough into my scalp, because I don't want to give myself a headache. All right, here we go. She's on. She is so cute. This hair just feels so good, girl. So soft. Loving it. But this color, oh, and it's just vibing with my lipstick, girl. Fall vibes. Get into this look. Get into it, girl. Bomb.com. I'm feeling it. Girl, how do you feel about this? Is it me? Is it you? Can you see yourself rocking this unit this fall? This color is so beautiful. It's beautiful almost any time of the year, but girl, for me, it's the cranberryness for me. It's the cranberry with the cranberry lips, the fall air, crisp air in your cardigans and things. Just beautiful. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Just let me know what you think down below in the comments area. How did I do with this one? How is this color, girl? Be honest. I love it. But I love the color. It don't really matter what you think though, but I love it. I love it. Beautiful, girl. If you've never experienced lovemehair.com, you definitely have to experience it. This is the bomb, okay? Not to mention that it's just super, super easy to do. Super chic, super glam. Now, like I said, this is like the standard headband, the black look. This is like basic, just really, really cute for everyday looks, everyday wear. Now, you do have your other headbands in here that you can switch it up to add on to make it look uber cute, you know? But let's add some bling to it to see how it looks. Let's add a blingy headband. Now, you do get to choose what headband kit and setup you receive with your unit, so choose wisely, girl. Choose wisely. And you can order your own headbands, or if you have a headband collection, girl, make it cute, make it you, do you. Add your own cuteness to it. Loving it. But let me show you the back before we add some extra headbands and things. Let me show you the back of it. She's cute, right? Yes. And again, this is 18 inches, okay? She's 18 inches. Love this unit. This is one of my very own headbands that I ordered previously when I first got into the headband trend. So we're going to go ahead and add this one to the look. Yes, really feeling this look. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Yes, girl, I'm so into the headband trend. I am absolutely loving it. I'm loving that I can wear all my cute headbands. You know what? No. Let's call them crowns, girl. I can wear all my cute crowns on my head. Loving this one. And this one is so cute. Love this one. And too, if you're into designer headbands or designer crowns, girl, you can wear those and just kill your looks. Absolutely loving this. But girl, let me know what you think of the headband trend. Let me know what you think of this color though. I know I keep stressing this color, but this color is just everything. Like, period poo. Feeling it. Loving it. Super cute. I'm super hyped right now. I don't know if you can tell, but this one's just the bomb for me. Now, if you're into pulling it up and doing the, you know, the messy buns, the high buns, and ponytails, okay, you can definitely do that too with the headband wigs. Just make sure that your elastic band and all that good stuff, Velcro closure is, you know, kind of disguised, covered up. But you can definitely do that. But yeah, Love, love, love this unit. This is super cute. Let me know what you think. And I will have all the information down below in the description box, so don't skip over it, girl. Look in the description box because everything you're going to want to know about this unit, I promise you I've included it there. Even the link, if I can remember, I think this came from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. If not, where could I have gotten this from other than, I mostly shop Amazon, so that's probably where, Amazon or either eBay. One of the two is where this headband comes from, but I'll have it all linked down below. But girl, check out Love Me Hair. I am so feeling this unit. Got me feeling so cute in this unit. But that is it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. There'll be some more. Make sure you're subscribed though, okay? You do it. You do it. Oh my God, I need to lay off the espresso.